How to create a search box like this. First, let's turn our data into a table by pressing Ctrl+T. Choose a table design based on your preference. Let's name it Students. After that, press Ctrl+Shift+F3 and select the top row. We will use this later in the formula we create. After that, go to the Search datasheet. Insert a shape, adjust it, and choose a shape style. Next, insert a search icon. Choose a format and adjust the icon. Then go to the Developer tab. Click Insert and select the text box. Place the text box inside the shape we created. Adjust and format it as needed. Once you're satisfied, click Properties. In the linked cell field, enter C4. This will be our reference later. For special effect, choose 0 to remove the border of the text box. Close the Properties window. Then click Design Mode for the final touch on the text box. Apply the filter function in B7. For the array, use our Students table. Add the isNumber function to check if our data contains numbers or not. Then for the search criteria, enter C4. This is our cell reference that we linked to the text box earlier. Within text, type full name. This will be our reference for searching the text. If empty, you can either leave it blank or add not found. Press Enter, and you will see the data from the other sheet appear here. Let's try entering a name in the search box, and you'll see it works. Let's enhance the format. Focus on the data cell, press Ctrl+A to select all. Go to the Home tab. Choose Conditional Formatting. New rule. Select Format only cells that contain, then choose No blanks. Go to Format. Pick your preferred border color. And in Border, click each side to add a borderline. Then click OK. Now, whenever you search for names, only the found ones will have a borderline. It's that simple. Follow for more.